Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about 3D shapes. 3D shapes are different from 2D shapes. 3D stands for three-dimensional. You may have heard of a 3D movie. 2D shapes are flat, but 3D shapes are not, and you can see all sides to a 3D shape. So if you're ever going to a 3D movie, you've had to wear those special glasses and it looks like the objects are popping out at the screen at you. That's because that is a 3D shape, which means you can see all around the shape. Let's look at some examples of 3D shapes that we are going to learn about today. Here are some examples of 3D shapes, which I'm sure you've seen before and didn't know that they were 3D shapes. So our first shape is a cone. Then we have a sphere, a cube, a rectangular prism, and a cylinder. Now, all 3D shapes have three attributes that we're going to talk about later this week. They are called faces, edges, and vertices. And we kind of talked about vertices with the 2D shapes. But keep in mind, later this week, we're going to talk about the 3D shapes, edges, faces, and vertices. So for your lesson today, I want you to go on a scavenger hunt and find these objects in your home. Find these 3D shapes in your home. The cone, the sphere, the cube, the rectangular prism, and the cylinder. Got it? All right. See you later. Bye.